Let's cut to the chase. The code that you can see on screen is going to prevent right clicking. So let's say you got loads of images or content and you're worried about someone stealing it. When you activate this code inside of Elementor custom code, right click just won't work. Now, let me be clear. If someone really wants to right click and inspect your website, they will find ways to do that. But this bit of code works. I'm now viewing a live page and I am right clicking and nothing is appearing. And before anyone gets worried, if you were inside of Edit with Elementor, the right click will still work. All it does is disable it from the front end. And that was all with this really simple bit of code. Just go into your WordPress Elementor custom code, go and add it in. Make sure you select body end for your location, then go and click update or save or activate or whatever it says there, and that will do the job for you. Like I said many times, if someone really wants to interrogate your website because they want to pinch a bit of code, they will find ways to do it. But for 90% of people out there that just come along and right click to inspect, that is now disabled. I'm Imran from Web Squadron. I hope you like, subscribe, share, and follow. I'll see you soon. Take care. Bye.